This message is transmitted at the request of the Lakehurst Correctional Facility. A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties in New Jersey: Ocean. Until further notice, between 2 and 4 a.m. this morning, a Lakehurst correctional inmate escaped the facility. This fugitive is James Clark. Clark fled wearing a white t-shirt, white pants, and black shoes. Clark is a 29-year-old white male. Clark is a dangerous offender. Clark is being held at the Lakehurst Correctional Facility for homicide and armed robbery. If you see this fugitive, do not approach him. Any suspicious person seen or contacted shall be reported to the Ocean County Sheriff's Office immediately by calling 911. Any further questions on this dangerous individual shall be submitted to the Lakehurst Correctional Facility by calling 732-888-0000. This concludes the civil emergency message.